Hi, my name's Nate Frank. I'm a CNC programming trainee here at Rice Lake Weighing Systems. I have benefited from the training program because in a short amount of time, I think it's been a year now, that I have learned so much more here than I probably would have anywhere else that I would have chose. I'd say the typical day for me is when I get here, I'm at my computer programming, going through stuff. Once the stuff is programmed, coming to the floor, working with the operator, getting the part going, making sure it's correct. I've been to class 3 times in St. Paul and Minneapolis to learn the software with the machine, and it's been a long process, but I've learned a lot. I chose to work here at Rice Lake because it's a good company. They've been around for 75 years, and I just moved to Rice Lake not that long ago, and I've heard nothing but good stuff through the community about this place. I want to continue to grow and move up within the company and do the best I can at it.